So your iPhone's notifications aren't working after you have updated it. Well, you are not the only one. We are facing same issues, but we have the solution and we will gonna talk about them in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I don't want you to miss out on any crucial step. So first thing first, let's try restarting your device. And I know most of you guys have already done that, but for those who undermines the power of restart, give it a shot. Restarting your device might solve the glitch or a bug present in your iPhone which is the cause of notification problems. To restart your iPhone, simply press volume up button, down button and press and hold power button and keep holding it until the screen goes blank. 10 seconds approximately. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power button. Okay, so if that didn't work for you, next thing we need to check is for network related issues. Almost every app in today's day and age require a stable internet connection to deliver notifications seamlessly. So make sure that you are on a good network connection. Either it can be on cellular data or on Wi-Fi, or simply you can just turn on airplane mode and turn it off after 30 seconds as it will refresh your data connections. And if you are using Wi-Fi, then my friends, I would recommend that you restart your Wi-Fi router once and then check if notifications are working or not. Next thing which we need to ensure is that our focus modes are turned off. So as the name suggests, focus mode can silence all the notification from app when you are not actively using it. To ensure the notifications are delivered without fail, make sure you turn it off. And now you will see I have a lot of notifications. One more thing what you can do is turn off smart activation in a focus mode by going into the settings. Now select focus and now select that focus mode you want to turn smart activation for. Let's go into the work, for example, scroll down and from here you'll get the option of smart activation. Tap on it and toggle it off. And I will also recommend that you delete the schedule as well. Moving on, now let's talk about share across devices feature in focus mode. As we all know, when you activate a focus mode on your iPhone and if you have a Mac running on the same Apple ID, that focus mode will also be activated on the Mac. So what if you want to only use focus mode on your Mac, not on your iPhone, because you want all those notifications? You need to turn off this setting. Okay, so first you need to go into the settings. Now select focus and you need to toggle off share across devices. Doing this won't sync your focus mode across your Apple devices. At number 5, I would recommend to ensure that the app notifications are enabled on your iPhone. If you're not getting notification from a specific app, there are chances that you might not have allowed it to send you notifications. To check app notifications, you need to go into the settings, notifications and scroll down and search for that specific app you're not getting notification from. For example, let's take Instagram, and you make sure that you toggle on allow notifications. Then you check mark immediate delivery and of course toggle on time sensitive notifications. Also, if you want, you can just check mark all the banner styles available, as this will guarantee you won't miss any notification from Instagram. So once you have turned on allow notifications, I would also recommend that you check in-app notification settings. For example, let's go into the LinkedIn and tap on my ID, go into the settings, select notifications and let's go into the messaging and make sure you have toggled on each and every options you want notification from. For example, group, or let's go for pages. So simply all you need to do is check in-app notification options. So you can also do this for WhatsApp, Facebook. Well, it all depends on what app you're facing the problem. So if the problem still persists, I would recommend that you turn off notification scheduled summary. Though it is one useful feature which filters out a lot of distractions, but it might get glitchy sometime and will ruin notification experience for you on your iPhone. To turn it off, you need to go into the settings, of course. Now go into the notification and select scheduled summary and simply toggle it off. Next thing, I would recommend that you turn off low power mode and low data mode, as these both settings will restrict apps from running in the background or fetch notifications, so you might find delay in notifications or no notifications at all. To turn off low power mode, you need to go into the settings, of course, scroll down, battery, and from here turn off low power mode. Now go back, scroll up, select cellular data options, and from here data mode and set it to standard. This will disable your low data mode as well. Talking about apps running in the background, there is one setting which you need to for sure make sure that is turned on, and that is of course background app refresh. This setting will ensure that all the apps are running in the background fetching important details, example notifications for you. So let's check if background app refresh is turned on our iPhone or not. So simply go into the settings, scroll down, general, and over here you will get the option of background app refresh. Select on it, and as you can see, it is turned off. And you need to make sure that you select either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. I would recommend that you select the later option. And now the apps will run freely in the background and will fetch notifications for you. And all of these settings didn't work out for you, then my friends, you need to update your iOS version, as there might be a glitch into the build of iOS you are using on your iPhone, which might be the problem of notifications not occurring or being delayed on your iPhone. So simply go into the settings, scroll down, go into the general, software update, and wait for software updates. And if you have any, make sure you update the iPhone ASAP. And if nothing works for you and you have lost all the hopes, well, don't do that, because there is one more thing you can do. That is, of course, reset all the settings. I'm not talking about resetting your iPhone, but all the settings present in it. For that, you need to go into the settings, scroll down, select general, again scroll down, select transfer or reset iPhone, select reset, and now choose reset all settings. Input the password, and that's it. Select reset all settings again, and this will set all the settings to its default state, and your iPhone will work or function normally or how it should be. So similarly, what you should do is, if you find this video helpful, make sure you like this, also subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and if you are facing any problem regarding anything Apple, do let me know in the comments section. I will be more than happy to help you guys. And on this note, this is me Samir signing off, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, tada, see ya, bye bye.